everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I did this makeup look. This is beautiful makeup look for me. This is the perfect makeup look for fall, for winter. I love this look. It's so easy to do and it's perfect. And I use this product here. I have so many products in this basket. We'll try for the first time this palette here. This is the 7 Romanced neutral shadow. You see Anastasia Beverly Hills, the soft glam palette. Yes, this is a dupe, and this one is a perfect palette. I love this palette. I don't have the soft glam for Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have this one, and I'm so happy. So one more thanks. Thank you so much for your support and me. I know this is my second video I'm talking in English and I'm so happy. I can't believe it. This is a big dream for me and I'm so happy. For me this is the big dream and talk English, to do video for YouTube in English. Oh my god, I can't believe it. This has happened. And that's it. I'm not cry. I swear. I will try this palette today for the first time. And this is the colors. It's a beautiful colors. I will use this brush. This is the Zoeva brush, the number 228. And my first shadow, this is the very neutral shade, and this is perfect. I start to apply this shade here over my crease. Okay, my first shade, check. A small blending brush, and I will use this here, Date Night. It's a very light brown. I will mix these two shades here. I will apply this here. This is the e.l.f. Liquid Glitter eyeshadow, the shade Pink. It's very beautiful. A little bit more black. As you can see, this is a very beautiful look and it's very simple to do. Now I will do this eye here and I will be back. I'm back and I apply some lashes and look at this. Look at the difference. The lashes, it's a very different, and the makeup look, I'm 100% sure this is very different. When you apply lashes, oh my god, your look is the best. I'm sure about this. Now I will do my complexion. This is the collection and the filter finish. Basically, this is the highlighter. I will apply here, here, a little bit here, and a little bit here. Foundation, I will just use this here. This is the brand NYX Can't Stop, Don't Stop. Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Do you have oil skin, acne skin? This foundation here, this is perfect. I love it so much. For me, this is my favorite foundation for Drugstore Makeup. The cover of this foundation is amazing. Now I will apply my lip oil for ColourPop. This is the shade Peach. It's very beautiful. And my lips, it's dry, shine, and very comfortable. I like it. For my concealer, I will use this here. This is the NABLA close up. And my shade is the Light Universe. I like this concealer so much. To cover this concealer is the whoa, amazing. It's very full coverage concealer. My concealer check. Now I use this here. This is the double 7 bronze chic. This is the dupe for Chanel cream bronzer. I love this bronzer. You see, it's very natural and very easy to apply, to blending. For my blush, I have this one. This is the brand Collection, again, stick blush. You see, it's very beautiful. Here this color, it's very strong, but your skin, it's very natural and it's very beautiful. I like it. You see, this blush here, it's cost around I think £2.50, £3, something like that. And look at this, it's very beautiful. I love it. I love this blush. You see, look at this one. For my powder, I will use this here. This is the NABLA baking powder, baking and setting powder in the shade translucent. Now I will apply my powder on my under eyes and you see how flawless my skin. This is before, you see, and this is after. You can see the difference. It's very different. This is amazing. Beauty by Bronzer. I have the shade Fawn. It's a beautiful shade. For my blush, again, this is the Beauty by Blush in the shade Peach. Look at this shade, it's so beautiful. I love this shade. This is my favorite highlight. Drugstore highlight, this is my favorite. This is the CATRICE. This is the More Than Glow highlight. The shade 010. My setting spray, I use this here. This is my favorite setting spray ever. I love this setting spray so much. This is the setting spray. This is the refresh and primer. This product is amazing. You can use this for before your makeup, to do your makeup, and you use this after to do your makeup, and your skin so flawless, so amazing, so refresh. It's perfect. I love this product so much. And you can see, I don't know, but I think this product is the I don't know I say in English, but I will say it in Portuguese. Descontínuo. For my lip liner, I will use this here. This is the NYX in the shade Nude Truffle. For my lipstick, I will use this here. This is the Cream Lip Stain, the shade 02. This is my final look. I love this look so much. For me, this look, it's so beautiful, so easy, so casual, so classic. I love. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye.